back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me and showing you guys this makeup look right here. And I'm going to be showing you guys these magnetic lashes that I got from Wakeup and Makeup. These lashes are really beautiful and much easier to apply than regular strip lashes, at least for me. So in today's video, I'm going to be just showing you guys how I got this makeup look and showing you guys how I did go ahead and apply these lashes to just make this makeup look pop a little bit more and just look a little extra glam. So if you guys want to see how I got ready today, then definitely just keep on watching. Be sure to check the description box down below because I will have these eyelashes linked down below. I will also have the video of me installing and styling this wig linked down below in case you're interested in how I did my hair. And as always, I will also have my Instagram link down below in case you guys want to stay connected with me a little bit more. You can go ahead and follow me over there. But if you guys want to see how I went from this to this, then just keep on watching. final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know down below what you guys think and if you enjoyed. I have been obsessed with this hair. I love how this hair looks, and I feel like this makeup look just goes perfect with it. Like the glossy brown lips, the really natural glowy skin with the lashes just is really doing it for me right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I will have this hair, these eyelashes, and my Instagram all linked down below in the description box in case you're interested. And if you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.